Logistics versus supply chain management. While logistics and supply chain management are closely related, they have distinct roles within a business. Logistics focuses on the physical movement of goods and materials. At the same time, supply chain management encompasses a broader range of activities, such as sourcing, procurement, and production planning. However, logistics and supply chain management work hand in hand to ensure the smooth functioning of the entire supply chain process. Without effective logistics, supply chain management efforts would be limited and vice versa. This highlights the importance of collaboration and communication between these two departments. As technology advances, the logistics industry is also rapidly evolving. Automation, artificial intelligence, and data analytics are just some of the areas that logisticians are exploring to improve the efficiency and accuracy of their operation. Additionally, sustainability is also becoming a significant focus for logistics companies. With the increasing concern for the environment, more and more businesses are looking to reduce their carbon footprint and implement sustainable practices in their supply chain processing. Furthermore, as global trade expands, logisticians must adapt to new regulations and policies that govern international transportation and trade. This requires constant learning and staying up to date with changes in the industry. Craving more juicy tidbits on supply chain management? Our previous video is just what you need.